And this is from the company Rebee Vision, I think's how you would say that. So let's just go over some of the features here. It's a key holder. It mounts on the wall. It holds mail. It can hold a little variety of things. It's compact design, easy installation. We're definitely going to check that out. Ideal gift choice, stylish, decorative, premium wood construction, multifunctional. And it came in this little box here. I have not even opened it yet, so you know what? I'm going to check it out at the same time y'all are going to check it out. Well, it looks like you get 4 screws and some little rubberized pill and stick pads. Nicely packaged there. A little thank you card and some instructions to kind of show you how to install it. You actually get, oh, that's interesting. You get a place to learn how to drill. So, you know, if you don't know how to do it, you can put that up and drill it. Put in the drywall fittings there and then go right into the screws. And that's just a little bit of wind blowing out here. Let's just open it up and see what this thing looks like. Because it looked like, oh man, that looks good. That's like premium wood look to it. So how does this mount to there? Oh, I see. The screws go directly through there like that, and then 2 screws go in the wall. Pretty basic. And then the key holders are there. So let me go ahead and get a screwdriver and then mount these together, and let's see what it looks like. First off, we're just going to mount this thing, and it looks like 2 of the screws will go right in through there like that. Those are off a little bit, but not by much. It looks like it's off by just a couple of millimeters there. They said easy installation. That's off on that side just a little bit, but I think once you get it installed, it doesn't really matter that much. Just like that. And then these little rubber feet are going to go, one goes there, or they look like it's felt, one goes there. And there you go. So now all I got to do is go mount these screws on the wall, and let's mount this thing. Okay, I went ahead and put those 2 screws in there. Now what you want to do is just set this on there like that. See the 2 line up, the 2 bottom brackets right here? They just line up like that, and it drops down on there. That looks awesome. That hangs up there great. Seems like that's something that you could put pretty much anywhere. Now let's just grab some keys and throw some keys on it. So we got a couple of car keys here. Check that out. There you go. So there it is, everybody. That's the little key holder with a shelf on it. See you all in the next video.